Here we have the new 2021 Nissan Titan. And this one is a Pro 4X. Comes on glacier white on black leather interior. And it has a 5.6 liter V8, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission, putting out 400 horsepower. So you've got your off-road package here. So you've got your red badging throughout. Got LED headlamps and daytime running lights. Then here you have your 18-inch off-road aluminum wheels. Got your spray-on bed liner here. And here you've got your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. And you can also fold those as well. And you have your memory seating for two. Power driver seat with power lumbar support. There's your passenger seat there. And you've got the Fender sound system in here, so you've got speakers everywhere. Gonna hop in here. So a really good leg room, and the back seat is actually pretty comfortable. The upholstery is just super nice. But down here, you've got two AC vents, and then you've got your heated rear seats, which you can toggle. And then you've got two USB chargers and a 3-prong household plug-in. And you've got tons of floor mats in here as well. There's a view of the front there. Gonna hop out. It's been super bright out here the past few days, so excuse the glare. And there's your power passenger seat there. Gonna take a look at that 5.6 liter V8. And there's the Nissan Endurance motor. And then over here you've got your navigation system. There's your backup camera along with your 360. You've got AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. And there's your home screen there. So several different views you can customize. You've also got an automatic dual zone climate control system. And then you have your parking sensors, which you can toggle on and off. And then your Nissan safety, which you can toggle as well. And you've also got a heated steering wheel. And down here you have your controls for your heated seats. And you also have your trailer brake controller, which you can mess with there. And here you've got your key fob with remote start. And you also have push button start as well. And you've got a garage door transmitter along with power sliding rear window. Like I said before, you've got that Fender sound system. And here in your glove box, it's got pretty good storage in there as well. And then over here, you've got your controls for your gauge cluster. You can go through all of that. And then over here, you've got your controls for your cruise controls, which we're going to test out here shortly. And next, we're going to go ahead and take this Titan out on the road for a test drive. So really good power, which is to be expected from a 5.6 liter V8. And I really like the stance that this truck has. You're towering over everyone else, and it just feels really good because you know it's a good looking truck. And Nissan really has been focusing over the years with the lineup on making sure that they have some of the best looking cars out there. And the 9-speed does not hesitate to find you the gear that you need to go ahead and push out that 400 horsepower. Just great throttle response. So I have the adaptive cruise on now. And it's doing a really good job of keeping the distance between myself and that truck in front of me. And overall, the ride is pretty good. For being a full-size pickup, it's not harsh, which is a good thing. And this 9-speed really does help with fuel mileage because it's keeping the engine revving below 2,000 RPMs, and I'm cruising at 75. And right now we're getting 20 to 23 miles to the gallon on the interstate right now, which is pretty good. And I really like the brakes on here too. They still feel like truck brakes, but they're sturdy. You don't have to put your foot all the way down to get it to stop. But they're also not touchy either. And really, you get a pretty good driving experience driving through the city. And you feel like you're driving a large SUV or something like that, not a full-size pickup truck. Yeah, I just love these brakes. Just really good. And really crisp shifts too. That brings me to an end of my review of the 2021 Titan Pro 4X.